This is a 2021 MG Aster and today we are going to do a short review of this car. So let's get started. So the MG Aster is the fourth car offered by MG Motors in India and it packs in lots of features which are first segment and top of the line features. But its main highlighting feature is the ADAS system, which is the Advanced Driver Assist System. Now let's check out the exterior and interior look of this car. So this is the front look of the car. It gets a decent sized grille with celestial chrome elements pointing towards the MG logo. It has a full LED setup, headlamps with eyebrow DRLs which also acts as an indicator, and also has 9 crystal LEDs in its headlamp unit and a projector setup for high beam and low beam which are LEDs. Below it is a piano black finish lower bumper with fog lamps which are reflector setup and halogen lights. It should have been projector setup and LEDs. Cost cutting have been done. Moving on, so this is the engine bay of the MG Aster. Now the engine specifications are not provided yet, but as soon as we are provided with the information we will let you know. Moving on to the side view of the car. So this is a side view of the car, and the MG Aster is to compete with the Hyundai Creta, the Kia Seltos and the Skoda Kushaq. But the MG Aster is taller, longer, wider than all of these three cars. It gets a two-tone turbine-shaped alloy wheel which are 17 inches. Moving on to the rear look of the MG Aster. So this is the rear look of the MG Aster. The same design language from the front end is continued towards the rear end with LED tail lamps and lower skid plate and with ZS badging. Now you might ask why ZS badging has been done on this car, because this is a facelift of the ZS EV, and also ADAS badging has also been placed. Now you also get fake exhaust with chrome surrounds to appeal the aesthetic look of the car. Now let's jump into the interior of the car. Now the interior of the car, the whole interior is wrapped with soft touch materials and leather upholstery. Now the leather upholstery is also offered in 3 colors. You can choose from whichever color you want. You also get a fully digital instrument cluster with different info to display. You get a 10.1-inch infotainment system with all the ADAS technology, the navigation system, the Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and much more features. You also get an eSIM, which is a partnership with Jio Telecoms. You also get this AI system which looks just like EV from the movie Wall-E. It also does all the stuff that an AI has to offer. You also get an automatic and a manual transmission, but the transmission specifics are unknown yet. Now this is the look when you enter into the car. Now the driver's seat is electronically adjustable in 6 ways. Now this, you also get a panoramic sunroof, and this is the rear seats of the MG Aster. Now this was the short review of the MG Aster. If you watched the video till here and you like the video, do press the like button. It helps us to push more forward. Do check out our channel Cars United India for more info, review and comparison, and join us by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you.